Windshield Removal Tool Kit, model number T04-1004. It comes with complete 9-piece toolkit for windshield change. Pierce the line from inside to outside with the threading tool. Use the hook tool to pull the cutting line. Guide it around glass's edge and secure it on outside. Attach included socket to a ratchet wrench and begin rewinding the cutting line winder to cut through the urethane. Protection table board can place the line for protecting the dashboard. Place the cutting line pulley between the cutting line winder and the cutting line to create an angle for the cut. Reposition the cutting line pulley and finish the cut.